All right, guys, what's going on? It's your boy Marcello. We are here to start off the stage 2 of our Rust Wars project, the Blue Lagoon. So what we're doing now is we have completely disassembled the car. We have nothing to worry about now, so we're gonna go at it with everything. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, we can get to the point where we can epoxy everything, and then we can kind of figure out everything from there, and getting this car into a roller for our time frame. That way we can start working on our clients' cars for the beginning of this year again. So stay tuned to make sure to subscribe and follow the Subi Sanctuary on YouTube, as well Instagram, as well Ikigai Garage Works on Instagram if you want to see a little bit more about the Blue Lagoon. What's going on, guys? It's your boy. So this right here is our custom metal fabbed trunk tub, courtesy of my boy Dante Ciccarelli. We're gonna put his description in so that way if you guys ever need anything like this for your cars, you can hit him up. I was blown away by just the sheer quality that this was, blew my expectations. If I had an image in my head, he brought the 100% vision to life. It is amazing. So basically this is gonna take care of our old OEM spare tire trunk setup, and this will allow us now to have more space to put our air ride, our air tanks, compressors, management, whatever we need in here. So with just a tad bit of adjustments on my end, it is pretty much drop in just like that. Tonight, we are gonna actually paint the underside of the Blue Lagoon, the huge step towards the end of stage 2. So now I'm gonna start with the epoxy primer. When I'm done, I'm gonna let it sit for 25 minutes and I'm gonna hit it with the undercoating rock guard spray we got on top of the epoxy for like a double punch 1-2 combo to make this thing absolutely solid for the rest of its life. And I'm gonna show you guys what the car looks like underneath now, and then we're gonna do an after shoot. I'm done all of the undercoating painting. I feel like if I would have to rate my experience of how high the fumes have taken me, I'd probably say like a solid 6 out of 6. It doesn't seem like a lot, but I know it's in my system. I can feel it lingering. In our final stage here, we have all of the parts we need to assemble our car. We have a brand new gas tank, all our Super Pro bushings right there on the floor, white line control arms. We also have our IAG transmission mount and our Cusco rear diff cradle. And then we have our big delivery of all of our powder coated parts that have been delivered yesterday. We have our subframe that's been blasted over there that we're gonna go ahead and paint. So we have our subframe, our gas tank. I'm actually gonna go ahead, paint our white line control arms And I'm gonna go ahead and paint the Cusco diff carrier all the same color as the car. I want everything to match. So this is our brand new gas tank that we're going to paint, match the same as our car. The rear Cusco diff cradle. This blue is actually changed, which is super cool. It used to be more of a pale blue. Now it has like a nice royal metallic sparkle to it. And in this bad boy, we have the IAG competition transmission mount. Did a good job wrapping that. Look at that, that's gorgeous. It even has nuts. All these cool orange, bright, vibrant bags. So these are our Super Pro bushing kit. So all these here are bushings we're gonna use. It's all here. Last but not least, from Subi Supply Co, we have our white line control arms. So these bad boys here, I actually have these installed on my yellow Legacy. Great adjustability, great feeling, everything in between, no issues. So these are all freshly powder coated parts. Huge shout out to Matt from Kville Auto. He did an amazing job on these. Front subframe brace, upper rear control arms, rear trailing arms, sway bar.
So I am sanding Marcello's engine bay, oh my god, for my second time in a row because he does not know how to mask off something when he is painting. Now I need to sand off all the overspray that is in here. So Marcello's not here, so we can all talk shit about him together. Just like, why is his hair like that? It's like very Sonic-y.
So as you can see, we have the drive shaft here in the booth hanging. It looks gorgeous. There is 3 coats of paint, 2 coats of clear. You know, you gotta ask yourself, will anyone really care? Probably not. Gas tank straps as well, paint match to the car. The filler neck, completely paint match to the car. A little overkill. And the transmission to chassis mounts, all looking really, really crispy, clean. No one's gonna know if I cheaped out or not, but I'm gonna know, so I didn't want that. And now everyone doesn't know because they're gonna watch this video. celebration dance for putting the car on the ground. Nav did a great job within at least this journey to get to where the car is. As well, it took me a lot of time to put the car together to even be on wheels, but she's all on wheels, she's happy. We're gonna do prep for epoxy next and basically take a time off from the build to accumulate more parts, more money, more time to finish the rest of it. But I'm pretty sure like we've hit that 50% mark of like getting to that point. Look at our board now. So the only thing left on my side of the list is to literally epoxy prime the car, and then Nav, she pretty much sanded 240 everything already. How do you feel?
I feel good. The car's rolling. We're doing good. Yeah.
That's it.
We're coming for Trash Panda.
Yeah. Trash Panda, watch out. Watch your back. Hey, Jim with the GXP, watch your back. We coming for you too. Coming for your 15-year-old build.